Colbert County Schools is turning to new technology to help in the fight against COVID-19.
The district is using scanners that are going to take temperatures at the door. News 19's Jeremy Jackson met with the superintendent, joins us live from Colbert County with more.
Siobhan, Greg, the scanners look like ordinary tablets, but the superintendent showed me how the technology inside will help keep students healthy. Before entering the halls of Colbert County High School, everyone must pass a test.
Please get close for taking temperature.
Generally, 98.6 is the preferred grade. This is a GoSafe scanner. It uses facial recognition and infrared technology to take the temperature of everyone entering a Colbert County school. Superintendent Gail Satchel says it provides an added layer of protection in the fight against COVID-19.
So it gives us a baseline of exactly where everyone is health-wise, and then it doesn't require the nurses to actually be here. It's freestanding. It comes take the temperatures, and the kids keep going.
All 8 schools in the Colbert County system received 2 scanners. Funded through the CARES Act, the scanners add to the growing arsenal the system has to prevent the virus from spreading. Satchel says they will aid in the fight against another virus as well.
Not only that they're here for the pandemic, but also during flu season. So when students come in, the temperature can still be taken. The parents, guardians, any visitors that come on campus, it can still take their temperatures.
And because they don't require someone to man them, Satchel says the scanners remove a point of contact. If someone begins to feel ill during the school day, they can simply have their temperature taken at the scanner instead of seeing the nurse. And Dr. Satchel says the cost of having those scanners in all 8 schools is around $50,000. Live in Colbert County, Jeremy Jackson, News 19.